God. Hear me, sir. Look, sir. You see, if you're not going to tell me which part Simone there, I don't want to hear nothing. I don't know which part Simone there.
Carlton! You realize so we're in a public space? Or walk it off. Smith, where that trail good for?
Marcus, the don't know you know Carlton there.
And you, did I go help him?
Watch out. Him tell me say the other police them get orders to shoot, to kill. You get me I say? So all me did I try to do, I help him. Eh, just like how you help to arrest me in front of my woman and my unborn picnic. Me did just follow orders.
That sound like you was being a puppet.
No do that, Bubbles. Just style me thing them way there. Orders we live by our life that. And you know that. That's so the thing go.
Smith, me can't find good in. What you know about that?
You know some I don't know nothing about that. You know some I don't believe it though. Carlton, I tell you personally. I never want to come arrest you. But the man show me proof. Proof? I frame them frame me. Me would know that, brother. Me would know that. Carlton, I rate you over Marcus any day of the week. Twice per Saturday and 3 times per Sunday. My conscience does stop bother me. From the happenings, Bridget. I swear to you. Smith. Ex-wife and a baby missing. So if you know anything about it, make we know. Listen, Bridget. I tell the man I don't have nothing more to do with this. You see me? And the man threaten my family. The man get me demoted at work. You hear me I tell you? The man said somebody for watch me. You see me? Right now, he's almost a fugitive like you. Marcus, that man. Him can't push you around and use you and get rid of you.
I'm sorry for you where I reach you still, Smith. But you have to go stay close to him and find out anything you can and make one know.
I love to do that in a bubble. Can't do it. Man cut me off clean. So what's the next move?
Let me think while I'm in the car. Let's go move.
You know you never see me, right? Say a word, Carlton.
No. You. Say a word.
You think good bubbles good? Oh, one more thing before I leave. Boy, them said to watch me. Police, you know. Me ask you about him. And everybody say a real mad dog. You see me? And funnily enough, him looks so too.
You have a name?
Savage. Raymond Savage. Tell me something. How me not say nothing about the arrest on the media? Because he's an innocent man. this time innocent.
So where you going to do now?
Bubbles, thanks for putting me up on everything. But I'll come out for the grid a little bit. Get myself back in shape and thing and
Carlton, listen to me. I know how you stay. Don't do nothing stupid. Calm yourself first. Remember, he might have Goody and the baby.